Mr. Speaker, Mr. Kukuna Bojidi. Mr. Speaker, Bojidi now. Mr. Speaker, not Bojidi now. Bojidi. Mr. Speaker.
Who do your community service bill?
Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, not Bojidi. If you are ready to argue, we'll take the motion.
Yes.
Are you ready? Are you
take
prepared?
The motion and let me deliver my
Mr.
ruling.
Speaker, are they prepared to take this motion? Oh, Mr. Speaker, they are not the presiding officer. The presiding officer has given me the right of audience. You are also saying, Yoni, sure. Means I sit down. Mr. Speaker, I'm an lawman. I understand my language. They can't intimidate me. Yeah, Mr. Speaker. Not a fellow, Mr. Speaker. Oh, Mr. Speaker, I'm better than the Deputy Agric Minister. Mr. Speaker, I'm better than the Deputy Agric Minister. I'm better than the member, Mr. Speaker, I'm better than the Vice President of Panafrican Parliament. Mr. Speaker, let's try it. I can speak better than the Vice President of Panafrican Parliament. Mr. Speaker, I throw the challenge. We are both mixed blood. Let us see which of the mixed bloods can speak better and not. I am ready for you.
Minority Leader.
Yes. Mr. Speaker, I'm ready.
Honor Minority Leader.
I am ready for her. And I'm
Maybe
ready for the Deputy Agric Minister. Sure.
Outside Parliament, I'll have to supervise the two of you to see who can speak Anglo better, but not in Parliament.